This one is open. This thing is moving. Oh, oh, there we go. Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today I'm at a brand new water park, one that I actually have forgotten about that's relatively close and actually new, is Spivey Splash here in Clayton County in Georgia. Let's go on an adventure as I take you along and we're gonna enjoy this super overcast day. Let's get it. All right, so by the way, we're gonna get in the lazy river soon, but this is the largest lazy river in the state of Georgia, might I add, which is super cool. So we're gonna get in that soon. It's like 60 something degrees right now, and we're gonna head up to get on these two big slides and then trickle all around, so it'll be pretty cool. So it won't be a long vlog, but it'll be a fun vlog. So because it's not that big of a water park, so it's kind of like a legit water park meets a like community water park, so something like that. But yeah, let's get on up here this tower and then splash on down. So they're about to go on a safety break here at 1:45. I got 2 minutes to head on up before they take a 15-minute break. And then, yeah, head on up. Tube has been acquired. Let's get on up here and at least get on one slide before the break, and then we'll tackle the rest after the break. Look at the lay of the land. This is beautiful though, low-key. Very beautiful out here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ah! It is completely dark. What is happening? Backwards again, as always. My goodness, come on. And the always backwards. Woo! That's the way to start the day though. Heads up. We just wiped out backwards. Just my luck, but it's all good. So I'm about to head back around. Hopefully they're not gonna take their break just a second, but whew, the pool at the bottom of the splashdown is 4 feet deep. Just a little heads up. Overcast, but you saw the sun's coming out here a little bit, but got nice artificial turf right here. Pretty cool. But we're going back around. I'm winded. That thing wiped me out. They also have like a course right here where the sky trail, which is pretty cool. Might do that one day, but this is actually pretty awesome. So they closed up the gate, all of the tubes right there, so 15-minute break. So probably gonna hop in this lazy river really quick and enjoy the largest lazy river in the state of Georgia. Let's get in. Okay, that was on me. Including the lazy river is closed during this 15-minute time period, so we're gonna have to wait. So the 15-minute break is over. the safety check and this part with the splash, my goodness, in the lazy river is insane. But it's really cool though. All right, let's keep on going. We bypassed the rough part, so we're just gonna chill here now in the state's largest lazy river, which is really, really awesome. And once again, we're here for a special event here. The park doesn't officially open until next week, Memorial Day weekend. So this is a pretty cool experience. Experience Spivey Splash for my first time, and just here in general for a special event. So a week before it opens, so that's pretty cool. And that's at the time of recording, that is. So yeah, special event. Waterfall. My goodness. But it's really cool, and I still got my shirt on because it is quite cold. It's been raining for the last few days, including this morning heavily. You can still see it's overcast, but yeah, it's really cool just experiencing things. They got the cabanas here. It's free today, but rental usually, along with the chairs over there where I have my stuff. But yeah, we're just gonna trickle around and have some fun. So they have the kids splash pad right here, along with the 3 slides right here. This one that I'm gonna do here in a second on the far right, you can do as a body slide, and then also it's a mat slide. It doubles as both. And then the one on the left is what I just did before that safety break. So I'm gonna get out here and probably continue on, then get back in the lazy river soon. All right, and we're back. Tube has been reacquired. That was a fun little stint in the lazy river. But we're gonna get back in that again, experience it proper, to go all the way. It is cold as I don't know what right now. My goodness. All right, let's hike back up. Woo! Gotta get my hiking conditioning back in. First water park of the season for me, but look at this, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh man, all right, let's get on up. See you guys on the slide. Woo! Oh. is happening? Woo! Pitch black again. We're going down super fast. What is happening? Oh, I see light. I see light. Ah! Right to the front. I'll take it. That was a cool experience. A lifeguard right there actually like got in front of me to like block me. Because I guess that slide goes down really, really fast. So that was pretty cool. I like the first one a little bit more, but let's head back on up. They have like a little stadium over there, which is pretty cool. All this seems like really low key. And all these like deflated rafts down there. But yeah, let's head back around and hit up these body slide slash mat slides. Probably gonna do a mat slide way next. Headed back up the tower again with the mat right here as we're gonna go on the far right one. So I'm gonna head back up. It's quite windy here. Trying not to fall. Watch my steps. They added all these tables I heard over here, so that's relatively new. But yeah, this is like a 5-hour special event. Pretty cool, no complaints here. But it rained the whole first hour, so going around, I'm trying not to lose the mat. Like I said, it's super windy. Let's go up. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Let's get on up. There we go. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I know they had two different ones. This one is, oh, this thing is moving. Oh, oh, there we go. Woo. Yeah, that was a complete nosedive. But we still got our mat. All right, going back up again to do the enclosed mat slide one. And I think I'm gonna do it again without the mat slide. And then probably that first one again. So what is that? 3 more times? Oh, that took a lot out of me with that nosedive, but let's get back up and probably nosedive again. I came back up again. Getting our cardio here today for sure. Got our mat again. We're going to do the mat slide. I think the one on the left. And it's enclosed. So we're hiking back up again. 64 degrees. And getting on in. For you all, love you all. Let's keep going. All right, so we're in the pitch black mat slide now. This one's super crazy. Okay, here we go. That literally hit straight into a nosedive. My goodness, crazy. Like if you look at that one in the middle, it literally hit straight down into the water, like a dive down. Crazy. The nosedives with all the water is taking it a lot out of me. As you can see, I have no mat, no tube. We're going back up. Get that far right one, the open one, with as a body slide. So let's get on up. Once again, get in our cardio. So make sure you guys drop a like for that. Getting an exercise, y'all. Staying healthy. Beautiful here, though. Absolutely beautiful. Woo. Going super slow on this. I was, yeah. Alright, so I gotta push myself because I guess the material of my swim trunks, different ones that I don't normally wear, are making me not flow with the water. Overflowing now. Gotta go slowly into the splash. So slow. Oh man. The material here. The shirt was fine. Sometimes that has something to do, but it was actually the material of these swim trunks that made me not kind of flow, which is crazy. Like 5 minutes later, I scooted on down. Lifeguard laughing at me, but she was chuckling. She was trying not to laugh, but we did it. It was all love. Let's go back up again one more time, but we're gonna do it with the first one that we did with the tube. Let's get it. Someone once told me that, by the way, too, in a past vlog, that depending on your material of your swim clothes, that'll happen. And these are different swim trunks I haven't worn, so it happens. But we got the tube again. We're gonna hit this gray and red one that we did for the first time. And we're gonna splash on down for our last go around. Like I said, not a long vlog, but a good one. Let's keep going. Around again. Backwards again. I see the light. There we go. How's that always happen? Oh my goodness. Returning the slide, and we're done with all the slides. There we go. And we're back again in the lazy river. Once again, the largest one in the state of Georgia. Going around to see the rest of the water park. Now you can see a side, like back view of the giant slides that I did. More seating around here. And what's cool, over here, they have something super special that's quite unique. They also have like a sports course over there, concession stand too as well. Just enjoying myself in the lazy river. I miss these things so much. And then also, like I said, the sports course where you can play basketball right here, which is super cool. Again, restrooms, concession stand right there, some water fountains. And then we're going around. This thing is really, really top notch. Such a top notch lazy river. And they have multiple ports of entry right there to enter into this lazy river. More seating here and like a lake or something over there, but really cool. And I always felt like Hurricane Harbor could build a lazy river like this around like what they already have. Oh my goodness, I'm falling. But there's something really, really cool that's just around the corner here that I can't wait to show y'all. And I want to do this one day too. Benches right there, another entry point here, along with right there. But we're going around. But you can see right here, they have one of those wave runner things right here where you can like skimboard, which is pretty cool. You can't really see it from this vantage point, but yeah, very cool. It's just right on the other side of this wall. You can see a little kids play island thing right there with the fake palm trees. Really, really cool. Oh, we're going back through this thing again. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's start. More activating. Alright, we're gonna go right in the middle. Oh my goodness. Doesn't stop. My goodness, that thing back there is an absolute soaker. We just went through that like waterfall. It is cold though. Out the lazy river we go. More of the tubes here. But my goodness, that was a good time. I said kids splash pad right here, the island there for the kind of little bigger kids there, for the younger ones of your party, lazy river. I don't know what I was thinking. It was called a flow rider. The flow rider right here. So let's go look around and see. I'm not doing that here today, but I just want to see what the flow rider's like. See, one day people are doing the flow rider right here, which is really cool. I'm not sure this is the upcharge here on a normal day at the park, but this is really cool. A flow rider. I don't know why I said wave runner, but flow rider here. Soon, one day, you will catch me do this flow rider. I promise you that. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at a brand new water park, Spivey Splash, here in Jonesboro, Georgia. Super amazing little park, as you can see right here. It's pretty cool. Like the largest lazy river in the state of Georgia. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'm on the verge, I'm headed towards 10,000 subscribers slowly but surely. Make sure you guys help me out with this goal. And by subscribing, it's free. Free 99, I love it. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching and enjoying this adventure. Tons and tons more to come, and documentaries and whatnot. Thank you all so much once again. Till my next video and or adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day.